Girl, you fuck it up, you do. You make me wanna run it up with you. Baby, you the blueprint. Without you, I'm losing. All your exes full.
YouTube, it's Monie Vuitton. Now I'm back with another video. So as you guys already seen by the title and thumbnail, this is gonna be an unboxing video. And I'm very excited. Very excited. I purchased some glasses from Lorvae, Diera's brand, and I also purchased a purse from Telfar. So the first thing that I will be unboxing is this, which are the glasses. But anyways, let's get into it. So you open the box this way. Okay. Oh, this is bomb, y'all. Okay, so you open the box and it has this paper right here. It says, "Thank you for your support. I'm so grateful that I can finally share my first ever brand, Lorvae. Lots of love, time, effort, and coins went into creating my first collection. I hope it helps you exude confidence and feel like the baddie that you are. Sincerely, Diera." Period. This is cute, y'all. So this was just right here to keep the glasses safe, of course. And then the glasses are in here. Just slide this off. Now this is bomb, okay? Okay, so you open the box. Oh, whoa. It's another little box. This is bomb. The packaging is just so simple and nice and bomb. So anyways, this is what the box looks like. Very nice. Bomb. Yeah. I love how it says Lorvae right here. And it's so soft and just... Ooh, has a little glasses cleaner on the inside that says Lorvae as well. So, oh, here are the shades. So, they're in another little plastic wrap. You gotta slide them out of. Oh, so that's the sides. Bomb, y'all. Bomb, y'all. Let me look at them first. Ooh, and it say Lorvae right there in the corner. Boom, bomb. Y'all see that? Say details. Lorvae. It says details in Lorvae. Let me put these on. Ooh, just really, yeah. What? And they match the fit. Hold on. Real bomb. And they big. I thought they was gonna be like the ones that you get from like Shein and stuff, but these are actually they're a little bigger than that, which I like. And the quality is great. Like, they're so nice and thick and smooth and just giving what it's supposed to give. Okay, do y'all see that? These are bomb, y'all. And I'm just now really starting to get into glasses and stuff. Like, I got me a few pair I'll be throwing on every once in a while, but these are definitely it. I'm feeling them. I love them. They're beautiful, nice quality. Like, they're very thick and just, they close so smoothly and everything is just bomb, okay? But yeah, y'all. Ooh, and I didn't even realize, which I was looking for at first, but I didn't even look. It says Lorvae right here too. It's like engraved in the side. You can kind of see it. That's bomb. As well as the other side. So for this packaging, just open like that. Yeah. So plastic baggie like this. Not me older than Telfar. No, I'm just kidding. Alrighty. Oh, this little bitty purse, man. It's super super cute though. Hold on. Yeah, this is what it's looking like. I'm in love with it, y'all. It's bomb. It's so tiny and cute, but I like little tiny cute purses. It's cute. Let me pop this open. Okay. Yes, it's giving. It's giving. I like it, y'all. Let me get up on the bed. Yeah. This just needs to come out and sit up. Other than that, it's giving. And yes, 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 they go together perfectly, y'all. Bomb. Hold on. Like, I don't know what I'm wearing with this yet, but just know y'all not gonna know me. No, just I'm gonna probably put, that's exactly what I'm gonna put. This tissue from the Lorvae box. Just want to show it like I did the glasses, you know, give it a little 3D little spin. Yes. Fixed. Yeah. I don't even know what to say, y'all, because, y'all, my lips popping, y'all. And that's it. And goodbye.
Hey, y'all. If I'm selling lip gloss and excuse my hair. Y'all, if y'all want y'all lips popping like mine, come holler at me. Y'all, I don't even know what to say because my lips popping. And goodbye. Period. I mean
that was the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I didn't really say too much, I know. I got everything off their actual websites. I got the sunglasses off the Lorvae website. I got the Telfar off the Telfar website. Yeah, this is what I got. I'm real happy. But yes, that was the end of this video. Thank you guys so much for watching it. Whether you was bored, eating, clicked on it from my Snapchat, my Instagram, TikTok, wherever you came from, thank you for clicking on the video and supporting. If you feeling the vibe, subscribe. And since you already here, you might as well go and get into it. Go and like, comment some things you want to see next. And I will see y'all in my next video. We're going to get into it, how we get into it, when we get into it, where we get into it. And y'all going to be seeing why we going to be getting into it. Bye.
Without you, I'm losing. All your exes foolish. They were stupid.